Yep.
I want to be a Google certified trainer to better serve students by helping to build the capacity of teachers to implement the Google Suite for Education apps in a way that fuels creativity, collaboration, and eventually innovation. I am passionate about the way the Google Suite of apps can help transform pedagogy and the climate of a classroom. The transformation I've seen in the teachers I've trained, I seek to spread to others. Spreading this gospel will increase student engagement as well as foster a positive and collaborative school culture. I am driven by the Google Suite of Apps' capacity to empower students to create rather than consume content. The variety of tools available through the Google Suite allows teachers and students to have voice and choice to find the proper tool to complete their learning task. Being a trainer will also allow me to connect with other Google certified educators and trainers to continue to build my own professional capacity and personal learning network so that I can be a lead learner within my school district and sphere of influence. Okay, this demo slam is to show you how a science teacher can use Google Drawings in their classroom. They can flip a lesson and start dabbling in some blended learning. So here's a quick idea of what you can do. Go to your drive, click on New, go to More, and select Google Drawings. Now I have opened up in another tab, I have a diagram of a cell. So what I want to do, I want to be able to lecture over this and show students piece by piece what each part of the cell is. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it into Google Drawings. And we'll bring it to the whole size of the canvas here. And now I'm going to use my scribble tool, make it a thick weighted line, and I can annotate. I can annotate each part as I talk about it. And the way I'm making this video, using a screencasting extension, you can use Screencastify. I prefer to use Snagit. Now while I'm talking here, I'm recording all the motions of my screen, and it records my voice. And you can make a little video that can be easily uploaded to YouTube for students to learn your lecture on parts of a cell. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section, send me a message through email or on Google Hangouts. Slam.